So coming to exercise 4.2 question number 2. Okay, now here the question is construct quadrilateral jump. So as I told you, first we will separate the page. Here it will be written rough figure. So first we have to draw a rough figure. We have to construct quadrilateral jump. So a quadrilateral I am constructing here. Okay, and as I told you, the name is JUMP jump. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to give the names clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, so यहाँ पर clockwise दे देते. चलो last question में we are given anti-clockwise. So from here I am starting JUMP jump. Okay, clockwise direction में मैंने naming कर दिया. Now whatever information is there, one by one we will write here. Okay, so JU is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, JU is 3.5 centimeter. So JU here I am writing 3.5 centimeter. UM is 4 centimeter. UM is 4 centimeter. MP is 5 centimeter. PJ is 4.5 centimeter. So 4 sides to आ गए. Now this will be probably a diagonal. So PU, that is P2 U, this is 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and as I told you in the previous questions also, rough figure and construction part will be with the pencil only. Okay, so rough figure हमारा बन गया. अब कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, देखो यहाँ पर होगा कंस्ट्रक्शन पार्ट. ओके, दिस विल बी लेफ्ट एंड हियर यू विल राइट स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन. So it is similar question. Okay, first of all what we have to do, we will draw the base, that is MU 4 centimeter. Okay, so first I am starting from there only. So MU is of 4 centimeter. Okay, MU 4 centimeter. First step of construction is draw MU equal to 4 centimeter. Second, we have to draw arc from M and U. तो देखो M से एक आर्क बनाओगे P पर, U से एक आर्क बनाओगे P पर. ओके, so we will draw arc from M of 5 centimeter and from U 6.5. तो क्या होगा, ये वाला पार्ट बनेगा, this triangle part. Okay, somewhat I am highlighting. So from M we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter and from U we will draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter and that will intersect at point P. Okay, so from M we will draw an arc of 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter. Okay, using compass from M point I am drawing an arc of 5 centimeter. Okay, and from U we have to draw of 6.5. Okay, so from U we have to draw an arc of 6.5 intersecting the previous arc and this point will be P. Clear? So I am writing the steps. Taking M as center, draw an arc of 5 centimeter and then taking U as center, draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at P. ओके, एकदम सिंपल है. पहले M सेंटर लेके हमने 5 सेंटीमीटर का आर्क खींचा, राइट. फिर U सेंटर लेके हमने 6.5 का खींचा आर्क और ये दोनों आर्क P पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट विल बी, क्या करना है हमें, M से P और U से P ज्वाइन करना है. ओके, सो ज्वाइन MP एंड UP. ओके, so this we have joined. Okay, so MP is 5 centimeter and UP is 6.5 centimeter. Now similarly we will choose point U and P और U से 3.5 का आर्क खींचेंगे और P से 4.5 का, तो वी विल गेट द पॉइंट J. ओके, सो फ्रॉम U वी हैव टू cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, from U we have to cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter, and from P we have to cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So from P point we have to cut an arc of 4.5 centimeter. The point of intersection will be named as J. Okay, and we have to join this UJ and PJ. Okay, this is of 3.5 centimeter, this is of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so the same thing we have to write here also. What we did, we cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter from U. So taking U as center, draw an arc of 3.5 centimeter, and then taking P as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter intersecting previous arc at J. Okay, and then join UJ and PJ. So what will be the last step? JUMP, jump is required quadrilateral. Is it clear? So in this way, as I have told you, पहले एक rough figure होगा, construction will be there, and steps of construction. This will complete the question. Okay.